Okay, so Facebook went down to yesterday, 5th of March, like worldwide. And, a lot of people are making fun of it on Twitter. Elon Musk was tweeting about it, even Guinness World Book of Record at the list just on ending about what's happening in Facebook, why Facebook was down. It wasn't funny because I was logged out of several Facebook accounts that I managed, and some of them I have to scramble to get the password. So if you are logged out of Facebook due to that server issue or Facebook going down and you cannot get back into your account, then sit back. This video is for you. I'm going to guide you through on what you're going to do to get back into your Facebook. If you're ready, come with me. Let's get started. Okay, welcome back again to Smart Depot, and I'm so excited to have you on today. I don't know, it was really fun and frustrating yesterday because the frustration was like I was logged out all of my Facebook account that I manage, some of my own, some are the ones I manage for people, and I don't even know where some of the passwords are. And then I was able to find one or two passwords during the time that Facebook was down. I was putting in the password and it was telling me that wrong password, like incorrect password. So this is another problem that people face. You are putting the right password that you wrote down somewhere that you know or you saved somewhere, and it's telling you incorrect password. Calm down. It also can happen when Facebook has a problem like it did yesterday, 5th of March. Some people are also still complaining that they have not been able to go back into their Facebook. And mind you, Instagram was also affected. In my Instagram, it didn't log out, but it couldn't refresh. It couldn't do a lot of things that I do on Instagram. Well, the first thing here you need to know is that, first of all, you need to know the email that you use for your Facebook. Many people have logged into Facebook and have used it for so long, they don't even know the email they use for their Facebook. You can go to your settings, accounts, and then you find this record. So if you know the email, if you know the phone number you use, then you can be able to say, I forgot my password. Click on forgotten password. So once you click on forgotten password, it will send you a code to the email or phone number that you used. Unfortunately, yesterday it was so funny because I started seeing a lot of things happened after I've put in the code, and then I wanted to create new password. It was giving me error, unable to create password. I tried to use my old password. They say I can't use the password. So it's so funny what could happen. But at the end of the day, I even saw a new one where Facebook was sending me that we sent a code to your WhatsApp. That was the only option they gave me, code to WhatsApp or authenticator app. I was like, the particular Facebook I'm logging into, the phone number haven't been used on WhatsApp. Well, that's not what Facebook meant. So in all these things, so you can get these discrepancies, and some of these things are due to Facebook server issues, and people who are using it now suffering from it. If you're going to request for a password, if you can't log into Facebook, it can tell you, I'm sending you a code to your email, to your phone number, or it can tell you to use the authenticator app, or it can even say, I'm sending it to WhatsApp. So if it's giving you an option, maybe you cannot access the phone number or the email or the WhatsApp is telling you, then you can skip that. And then the third step is where you're going to join. So the next thing you need to do, if your problem is code not coming to your phone or phone number, you have to call your customer service and tell them to clear every do not disturb on your line. Some people don't know that there are some do not disturb mode activated, and it will stop some messages from dropping into their phone number. So if you have dealt with that and you're still not going to receive code, and you cannot use the authenticator app, or you cannot get the WhatsApp code, whatever code it is, then I have the final option for you. So the final option for you is to allow Facebook, give it like 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. And then when you come back, from the browser or from the app that you are on, you can go into a URL and then type in facebook.com/login/identify. So when you do that, Facebook will now use the information you already know about your account. It will ask you questions about your friend, about posts, about comments, about who said this, who commented that. It's not going to be easy, but if you are frequent with your Facebook account, you should be able to scale through that prompt. And once you do that, it's going to give you access to go back to your Facebook. So do not lose hope. If you can't log in, if your password is not correct, you can't receive code and all that, do not lose hope. You can use facebook.com/login/identify to get back to your Facebook account. And then finally, if you're here, you're using Facebook, make sure you write down your password somewhere. You can use a password saver. Make sure that the phone number you're using for Facebook is still active. Of course, make sure that the email you use for your Facebook is still active, and make sure put enough security, two-factor authentication, and all that to your Facebook, so that if something happens or you have need to log back into Facebook, you will not be scampering for information that you need to log into Facebook. Of course, I'll be in the comment section to hear your comments and answer any question that you have. If you watch up to this point, come on, this is a good point to click on that subscribe button. And until I see you in the next one, it is peace. Subscribe. I'll see you.